Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Dodge Grand Caravan, 2008 to 2010? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2008 and 2009 Dodge Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box is located beside the battery in the engine bay. It protects critical circuits such as the engine control, ignition, fuel system, and powertrain modules. The fuse box also covers systems like ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and power accessories. This design ensures reliable distribution of power to both essential performance components and safety features. In the 2010 Dodge Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box is positioned next to the battery in the engine bay. It safeguards essential circuits for the engine control, fuel system, ignition, and powertrain modules. The box also protects key systems such as ABS cooling fans, headlights, and power outlets. This setup ensures safe and efficient operation of both critical engine functions and important safety features.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.